BS Locksmith LLC. That's after the repair and installation, the door was not closing. We had to take everything out and fix the hinges on both sides. Now it's locked. All right, and also close with the hinge and the closer we install. New closer. Here we go. Now it's locked and perfect. Double deadbolt, schlag, keyway. Most security for the house. Residentials, please call us anytime. 720-372-8021. BS Locksmith LLC in Aurora, Colorado, and the Denver Metro. Thank you. Bye bye.